Today I'm going to show you how to highlight moving objects in Premiere Pro. First, upload the video and drag it to the timeline. Move your timeline slider to where you want to begin to highlight your object. Then make a cut by holding Ctrl and pushing K. Now highlight the second clip and select the Object Mask tool. Then click on your object to highlight it. Go over to Effect Controls and click the Track Forward button, and Premiere will track your mask through every frame. Go over to Effects and search for Lumetri Color and add the effect to your second clip. Now if we go to Effect Controls, we can see that Lumetri Color has attached itself to our mask to highlight your object. Click on Inverted and expand Basic Corrections. Then simply lower the exposure slider to your liking. To create that glow effect, you can just increase the feathering of the mask. To watch the video without specifying the mask color, choose this option. You can adjust the lighting intensity between the mask and the background using these options. The result will be amazing. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and liking.